Last 10 days, I've been at Dr. McDougall's 10-day living program, and I had the most amazing experience. Dr. McDougall does a 10-day living program where the participants from all over the world, they come in and they are in a resort. Here we are in a Flamingo resort in California. And for the 10 days, they have a lot of educational lectures, and there is medical checkups run by board certified medical doctors, Dr. McDougall himself and Dr. Lim. And there are cooking demonstrations, and food for the 10 days is all served in a buffet style. So there were over 50 participants in this program this time around. Dr. McDougall and his team, they do about more than 6 or 7 programs like this, 10-day living programs in a year. I and my wife, Dr. Shobha, we both came in to observe the program and learn from their experience. What we saw was nothing short of amazing. Like there were several people who had high blood pressure, diabetes, and people struggling to lose weight and keep it off. Now, 90% of the people who had high blood pressure, they came off of their medications in 10 days. Over 80% of people who had type 2 diabetes, they had a reduction, decrease in the dose of their medications, and some of them were off of their diabetic medications. And the average average drop in the cholesterol was over 30 points, and the weight loss on average in 10 days was no more than 3 pounds. Some people who needed to lose weight, they lost up to 9 pounds. And the other amazing things, what I noticed was like there was one person who had this crippling arthritis, and she was on medications for arthritis, and in last 10 days she came off of them, and she's off of her arthritis medications, and she has no joint pains, and she's also on like 3 different medications for blood pressure. She's off of them. And the other surprising thing was the people who have type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is where they need insulin. Even those people who have type 1 diabetes, they had up to 70% decrease in their insulin dose. So the food and all of this, eating the foods that we all love, like eating a lot of healthy, starchy foods like potatoes and like brown rice and corn and beans and lots of fruits and vegetables. So it was an overall an amazing experience, and it was nice to see that people getting better and taking charge of their health. There was change in the numbers, but the thing is, the biggest difference what I noticed in people is change in their attitude. Like some people in the beginning, they pretty much given up, and they came here as a lost hope, and they got the hope. They felt, and I've seen people changing their attitude and feeling empowered that they can take care of their health. So it was a wonderful opportunity to watch Dr. McDougall, Mary and Jeff Novick and Doug Lyle, Dr. Lim, and sharing their knowledge and information and giving everyone the gift of health. So it's as a physician, like in my training and medical school and residency training, and the most emphasis was on putting people on medications and prescribing procedures, which they most of the time they work in acute conditions, but for chronic medical problems, changing diet and lifestyle is the answer, which is a difficult thing to achieve with patients, because it's not easy to change your diet and lifestyle, but it's amazing to see how people are empowered within just 10 days of taking charge of their health destiny. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching it.